Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you an easy quinoa salad. It's full of nutrients, super delicious as well, and you can make it in minutes. So let's get started. So for this salad we will need 200 grams of cooked quinoa. I'll link in the description below. Go and check it out actually how easy it is to boil the quinoa perfectly fluffy without using any other ingredients. A small bunch of parsley, about 50 grams or handful of spinach, 50 grams of walnuts. If you don't have walnuts, you can replace them with any other nuts. About 20 grams of rocket, 1 red onion, 1 lemon, some olive oil, about 15 to 20 ml, salt and pepper to taste. So these are all the ingredients that we will need for this salad. So before we'll start, we will do something very important. We will marinate the onion in half of the orange juice. Yes, so we'll just finely chop actually the onion, and we are going to marinate it in the lemon juice and water. So while the onions are marinating, I will prepare the dressing, an easy dressing. So in a mason jar or in any other jar, put some freshly ground pepper, salt, olive oil, and the juice from half of the lemon, and just make sure to put the lid on and to shake it for about 30 seconds. So while the dressing is setting aside, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Just to chop the parsley and the walnuts. So now is the time to assemble the salad. So in a large mixing bowl, place the quinoa, the spinach, the chopped parsley and walnuts, the rocket, and the onions. Because I marinated the onions with the liquid from the lemon, they are not so bitter anymore, so you can add more onions than usual into your salad. This is entirely up to you. You can add as many walnuts or as much onion as you like, but just because marinating the onion removes that bitterness, you can use a slightly more quantity. Place the dressing on top and give it a good stir. So this was my recipe of super healthy, easy and quick quinoa and spinach salad. You can replace the spinach with kale or with any other greens, it's entirely up to you, but most importantly that is delicious as well and it's super easy to make. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new and interesting recipe, healthy recipe as well. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.